In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force secure checkout fast and easy. This is a crucial step for anyone who manages an online store, since it ensures that your customer's personal and financial information is protected during the checkout process. So let's dive right in and make sure your WooCommerce setup is as secure as possible. First, we'll begin by accessing your WordPress website's administrative dashboard. This is often the nerve center for all the activities you'll be managing on your site. Once you're logged in, you're going to look for WooCommerce in the dashboard. It should be prominently listed in the main menu on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on WooCommerce. You'll find that navigating through WooCommerce is quite intuitive once you get the hang of it, and it's the hub that controls all your e-commerce settings. Next, inside the WooCommerce menu, you'll want to click on Settings. This section is key since it allows you to customize and configure various options that define how your store functions. It's like the command center for everything WooCommerce. Once you're in the settings area, look for the tab labeled Advanced. The Advanced section houses various options that provide a deeper level of control over your site's functionality, particularly around payment and checkout processes. Once you've clicked on Advanced, you'll see a range of settings that you can adjust. Here, you'll need to direct your attention to the section labeled Page Setup. In this section, you will find an option specifically for Secure Checkout. This setting is critical as it mandates that your customer's checkout process happens over a secure connection. If your site's visitors see that their data is safely handled, they're more likely to complete their purchase without hesitation. Now, you should see an option to Force Secure Checkout. Make sure this option is enabled by clicking on the checkbox next to it. Doing this will ensure that your checkout flow uses HTTPS, which provides an added layer of security by encrypting data transmitted between your server and your customer's browsers. Finally, to apply all the changes you've just made, simply click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Saving your settings confirms that your e-commerce site will now enforce secure checkouts moving forward. By following these steps, you're enhancing the security of your client transactions, which not only helps build trust, but also is an essential component of maintaining a professional online shopping experience. Well done on taking this significant step towards securing your online store for your customers.